always want to actually look, like, get a chance to actually look in here. Yeah, there's a sway bar, there's a spring. There's a spring that I want to take off. What do I have to take off here? I don't think I had to take off the caliper. I know I gotta drop the frame down. And I gotta loosen these two bolts up here. And then out my head. Up my head again. Oh, your guys' head, really? And then I guess, okay, so then take off this, take off this. This can stay right here. I can probably just take this bolt out here. I believe that's supposedly that's the subframe that holds that up. So I do that. It drops this whole thing will come down here, dropping it from the body. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'll just do the one spring here. So plan of attack, we're gonna take out some of those screws there. We gotta loosen that up there, so let's bring the whole kit over here. Alright. Where's that? Go to 12, it's probably at 13 now. What did I say? 13. Alright. Alright. We'll leave that in here. Don't lose that. Anything else up here that I should probably be aware of? Where you yeah, you're probably the AVS and stuff like that. That should be okay. Let's get the big wrench for him. I know we gotta take him off. Alright, let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Alright, so that's out there. Not all the way, I just got it all set up, kind of. Alright, let's go right here. Now, I'm gonna need a jack for this. Because what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to drop the frame down. But you need to have the jack there to help support it. Okay. Where to jack up from is something I do not know. But, let's see, where do we connect? Where do we connect? So, a place you could go from, I'm gonna guess this place right here. I do highly recommend putting, I never like metal on metal contact things, personally. So always put like a nice piece of wood between things. Just my preference. Just one of my preferences to do in life. Okay. Without hitting my car. I said without hitting the car. Without jacking up the exhaust system. I don't need to jack up exhaust systems. Oh, and also if you wonder what these are, this is my I think Outlaw series, Flowmaster Outlaw series. And then I got the Scavenger, Flowmaster Scavenger X pipe. If anybody's wondering on what exhaust system I have down here. That's the exhaust system I have. If anybody's curious, anybody's a curious soul, what we're gonna be doing here? What size are you? I'm probably gonna say 13s again. Okay, let's go. Okay. Please don't follow me. No, you don't want to take these all the way out. You don't have to. All you want to do is loosen these up. Let's sneak up here. Let's. Wow, you're tight. Okay. Oh, you're really tight. How about we get the good old breaker bar over there? Okay. So I'm gonna twist myself away from it. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna put this back up. Put it back up tight. Oh, and I also don't forget to do this. Don't forget to take off the rest of the way. And this comes right off. All right, we want to go down slowly. Am I missing anything? Well, what's holding up now? Alright guys, so what I did, I just disconnected that all the way, and now I'm gonna lower this thing all the way down, and let's see what happens. It looks like, okay. Alright guys, well, looks like the exhaust is holding this up here, so I gotta jack the frame back up. I forgot how long these things actually were. More to go. Okay. Hopefully that's out now. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Not yet. All right, that's one. All right, let's go. Let's get you off again. Oh man, that's right. You're the weird one. Work. All right. Well, now that everybody's here is all loosened up and everything. All right, you can drop now. You can probably drop down farther. There we go. Now that's what's holding us up. Okay. Go over here. Alright guys, so good spring's right here. Basically all I did was just put it in Mexico. I just reversed whatever you saw me do, I reversed right back to the same thing. Went up pretty damn easy, came up. This went in pretty easy actually. Just slid right through here, went into here, pop it in, turn it, make sure the rubber's matched, and now it's good to go. So the next thing for me to do tomorrow or whenever is I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get the lug nuts off this. Don't know how I'm gonna do that yet exactly. My father's coming home right now, so we're gonna figure out how to do either get the tool to work, the tool we bought to work, or something else. Or buy the same set of lug nuts and use a tool for that, because I don't think it's the lug nuts. I think it might be my spokes or studs to come out. So yeah, so we'll end with that. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it's a little entertaining. If you guys liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below what you think. And that'll be it. I'll see you guys in the next one.